Hello. Welcome to the next session on Xbooks. Xbook package or the questions that we receive from Xbook. And we are working on Kaggle. That's a site on which we are creating this example. And you're learning with DivK Learner. And we are talking about sample 6 today. So here you see, we were talking about this sample yesterday, where we had this question that we have a robot which moves from origin 0, 0 in a 2D plane. So it has a sequence of taking the strings towards the left, towards the right, towards the up, and towards the down. And that's how you can write down the function to tell, you need to write down a function to tell the robot whether it has come back to the original place or not. And if it has not come to the original place, it will return false. And if it has returned to the original place, it will be returning true. So if it is up and down, that means it has taken one step up, one step down, and it returns to the same place. If it's two lefts, then he has moved two steps towards the left, so that's false. So here, if we have created a robot move method and we are taking the move sequence, that is these values, then I've taken two variables, which is up and right, which I've taken 0 initially, and then I'm looping through each value of the move sequence. So I'm going to U, then going to L, so it will break all these strings into characters. If the first value, if the value is equal to L, then the right should be -1 because then we have moved towards the left. And if I is equal to R, it means that we have moved towards the right, so one step towards the right. If we have moved up, it is talking about one step up. If we have moved down, it is taking up to one minus value. So this is where the up value will decrease, and this is where the up value will increase when it is U, and when it is going down, so it is reducing the ups value. If both up and right, that is if it starts from the 0 to 0 location, and if both of those locations are 0, then it will return true. If those two locations or any one of those locations is not true, it will be returning a false to you. So this is where we are doing the check of it. So I'll run it. So they tried putting up and down, so I gave true. They had the output as true, so we are correct, as I was correct to identifying it. L and L is false, so that is the reason. For me it is false, it is false for them, and the test result is true. Then LDR LUU, again it is false for me, false for them, and it's true. And then we are writing down LLD So this is giving true, that they are giving true, and it is true for them. But we have two lefts, one down, three up, two down. So 3 ups and 3 down, so that becomes equal. Then first is left, then left. If I remove the down and upper from there, then it's going towards the right, then left and right. So left and right are also removing the values, because we're not neither going up or neither going down, neither going left or neither going right. So we have moved, but we have come back to the same position. So it is saying that all the 5 tests passed, and that's what we have. Now, that is what I've done for today. For tomorrow, we are talking about, given a list of members as the first input argument, write a function to remove all the items in the list that have the same values as the second input argument. For example, if the first argument is 1, 3, 2, 2, 4, 2, 5, and the second argument is given as 2, then the output is 1, 3, 4, 5. So it will remove all the 2's from the list. So this I'll request you to give it a try today, and tomorrow I'll be showing you the answer of it. So with that, I come to the end of this session. I thank you for learning and listening with, thank you for listening and learning with me. And we were talking about sample 6. Why this was sample 6? Because we started from 0 to 5, so that becomes the count as 6. So tomorrow we'll be talking about sample 7. which in my case would be EB06. So once again, thank you and bye-bye.